In the enchanting town of Dreamington, where lanterns float like fireflies and children's giggles twinkle in the air, dreams are spun into a tapestry by the elusive dream weaver. High above in a grandiose floating castle, the dream weaver weaves each child's dreams into a shimmering fabric, safeguarding them within the castle walls. Every night, the castle dances under the moonlit sky, barely visible to anyone but the truly curious. One such curious child was Leif, a bright-eyed, giggling child with an insatiable thirst for exploration. Living in the heart of Dreamington, Leif always searched for the unusual and the magical. One night, as Leif lay in bed staring at the silver moon, they felt something peculiar under their pillow. Pulling it out with wonder, Leif discovered a glowing thread. But it wasn't an ordinary thread, it shimmered with the colors of the rainbow and pulsated gently as if it had a heartbeat. The map sparkled like no paper they had ever seen and seemed to point skywards toward the ethereal castle of the dream weaver. With a mixture of thrill and trepidation, Leif decided to follow the map's luminous path. Leaving a note for their parents, Leif tiptoed out and began their moonlit adventure. As Leif walked, talking stars giggled above, lighting the way with their twinkling laughter, and cloud creatures danced around. Leif climbed a mountainous pathway made of silver clouds. Along the way, they met a star named Stella, whose glow was warm and comforting. "You're on a special journey, young Leif," Stella chimed. "But be warned, the map was not meant for you." Baffled but undeterred, Leif continued. Upon reaching the castle, Leif was greeted by the dream weaver, an ethereal figure with robes woven from shimmering threads of dreams. The dream weaver's eyes sparkled like 1,000 dreams. "Ah, brave Leif," the dream weaver spoke gently. "The map you hold was meant for me. It guides me to mend a broken dream. Yet, I see bravery and kindness in your heart. Would you help me on this journey of renewal?" Eager and humbled, Leif nodded. "Yes, I would love to help." And so, Leif and the dream weaver worked together, flying through the skies, touching dreams that needed stitching, weaving giggles back into nightmares and hope into despair. In learning the artistry of dreams from the dream weaver, Leif discovered that dreams are delicate, requiring courage to chase them and kindness to care for them. When Leif finally returned to Dreamington, the townspeople were fascinated by tales of adventures and the lesson that sometimes what's meant for others can teach us the most. Leif's journey served as a lasting tale of bravery and kindness, inspiring all the children in Dreamington to believe in the magic of their dreams.